Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You first confirm your device is updated, your Apple ID uses two-factor authentication, and Wallet has a verified card. Open Settings, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, then enable Apple Cash if offered. Once done, open Messages with the person you want to pay. That's where the transfer begins. Make sure both you and the recipient have Apple Cash enabled, because Apple Pay peer-to-peer only flows through Apple Cash. This is the single supported path to send and receive money in Messages. With Messages open, tap the Apple Pay app icon under the text field. Enter or tap an amount, then tap Pay to prepare the transfer. Before sending, confirm the funding source. Apple Cash will be used first. If insufficient, the default card covers the remainder. Authorize the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, then hit the send arrow. Once sent, the recipient must accept. Until they accept, the charge is pending and can be canceled by you from the message thread. When you receive money, tap Accept in the message to move funds into Apple Cash immediately. To move those funds to your bank, open Wallet, choose Apple Cash, then transfer to bank. Use Instant Transfer for a fee or standard 1-3 business days. If a payment fails, make sure both parties have Apple Cash enabled, each card is verified, and cellular or Wi-Fi is working. If problems persist, sign out and back into Apple ID and retry. That often clears verification or syncing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.